Hey guys, today we're gonna be opening our
homemade toy.
Yeah, and ignore if it's bad because we're not really good at making it. So we're gonna save the best for last. Cause first it's silly sloth
Slippy sauce.
Oh yes, whatever it's called. And pickle cats we made. So I made this one. Elisa made this one, and then I made this one. This is the best for last. The Hawaii toy.
We should open this one first. Pickle cats. Okay.
So I hope to get Frosty. And what do you want to get?
I want to get Maple.
Okay, let's see who we get. Let's not look in the box because there's a card that says who it is.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. I wonder which one this is. So we're gonna look at the card. It's Keiko. How cute.
All right. Now let's open this Slithy Sloth.
Slithy Sloth.
Okay. I kind of want Slimmy.
I want Slathy. Okay. Now let's see.
Okay. Let's.
Okay. I'm not gonna look at the
Slithy Sloth. Okay.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Which one's this one? I think we got Sleuth. Sleuth right here. All right, that is so pretty. Okay, now. Okay, so. All right, now we're gonna open the best for last, the Hawaii toy.
Yeah.
So, sorry, y'all. Camera. Okay. Okay, so now let's cut this. So here's the front. It's called Hawaii, and here's the back. The little whatever QR code, I guess. Okay, now we have these lines. We have to cut across. So
open.
I made this like a long time ago, a few months ago. Okay.
Whoa.
So, but we need the instructions. We're gonna like make Hawaii food. So here's the instructions. Okay, so what's our step one? So our step one is open pink packet and put it in container.
Right this container.
Okay, so that is the container.
Alright, so we're gonna open this thing.
Yeah, that's pink packet.
And put it in this container.
Yeah, make sure it fits.
Yeah.
Okay, so step two, add water and mix it. So this is the Hawaiian juice. We're gonna add that. Let's not add all of it because it might spill. Okay, wait, where's our mixture? There's our mixer.
Well, okay. I got it.
Like, get it out. Okay.
Alright, let's put a teensy bit in. Okay. Oh, whoa. We're going to clean that after.
Yeah, okay, now. Mixy mix. So, this is kind of hard.
Okay, and after that,
this mixer is so small, bro.
We're going to add the lemon and keep mixing it in.
Okay, so, okay, so where's the lemon? Okay, here is our lemon. So our lemon is so cute. It has a face.
And let's open our lemon.
Okay. So after we add the lemon, we have to wait for it to dry and use it as a decoration. Okay.
Okay, I heard that we have to keep the mixer in to make it look good.
Yeah.
Like that?
So like this. This is absolutely stunning. Okay, guys. Hope you like that.
Alright, let's clean this up.
Okay, so now we are finished with all the toys. Let me know what your favorite toy is.
Yeah, I think mine was the Hawaiian one.
Vote for Pickle Cats, which is toy number 1. Slithy Sloths, which is toy number 2. And the Hawaiian toy, which is toy number 3. So honestly, my favorite one is like
I like the Hawaiian one.
Yeah, because I like making slime and making stuff like as a decoration. This is like so cute. We just need to wait for this thing to dry and use it as a decoration, like a Hawaiian decoration. But there's no point for the water, but it's just so it's more fun like that. Anyway, here's the lid. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna leave it right here. As you can see, guys, I'm leaving it right there. Okay. Now, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.